Arcadia, Haynesville, Bernice, Cotton Valley, Gippsland, Shongaloo, Cooley, Duboc, Simsboro, Vienna, Evergreen, Athens, Lisbon, Letton, Mount Zion, and Lake Claiborne. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Clay. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southern Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northeastern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, east central Beauchamp Parish in northwestern Louisiana, western Lincoln Parish, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Cotton Valley, or 10 miles northwest of Minden, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Minden, Homer, Arcadia, Sibley, Cotton Valley, Gippsland, Doyline, Dubberly, Dixie, Eastwood, Simsboro, Evergreen, Athens, Lisbon, Bryce Island, Mount Lebanon, Fillmore, Gillard, Lake Claiborne, and Corinth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Bossier, Claiborne, Lincoln, and Webster. Lake Claiborne and Corinth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson Parish, southwestern Ouachita Parish, south central Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northeastern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southern Lincoln Parish, northeastern Wynn Parish, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Arcadia, or 12 miles west of Grambling, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ruston, Grambling, Jonesboro, Brownsville by Conville, Arcadia, Gippsland, Sugarland, Simsboro, Chatham, Hodge, North Hodge, East Hodge, Athens, Bienville, Quickman, Uros, Sykes, Bryce Island, Mount Lebanon, and Bryce. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Claiborne, Jackson, Lincoln, Ouachita, and Wynn.